At Interclean Amsterdam 2026, industry leaders from around the world will be sharing ideas that are shaping the future of cleaning and facility solutions. One topic gaining significant attention is how ESG principles, environmental, social, and governance, are influencing customer expectations and business strategy. At Interclean, there is a session titled How ESG-Driven Cleaning Boosts Trust, Loyalty, and Market Advantage. And with us today is the presenter of that topic, that session, Helge Alt. So why don't you do this? Tell us a little bit about yourself and why your presentation at Interclean is so important.
I'm Helge. I am coming from Estonia, and my company, Boston Expert, is offering clinic training and consulting. And actually, I'm in a cleaning business since 1993. And actually, I have been in Amsterdam since 2002 every time. It's very important event, and I really believe that cleaning is important, and aim of cleaning is cleanliness. But very often we just waste a lot of time and energy and chemicals and so on.
Helge, your presentation focuses on how ESG-driven cleaning can build trust and loyalty. I believe that's in the topic, the presentation title. What prompted you to explore that connection between cleaning practices and customer perception?
I think that nowadays people are more environmentally conscientious, or no, they know more about environmental as ever before. People, especially young people, they would like to see meanings in every area of things. It's also, if you, for instance, in an accommodation business, that cleanliness, how it's cleaned, it's so important. If we look, for instance, in some internet platform, what is number one, what the clients are looking for? It's cleaning. But it's also very important how we clean, which chemicals we are using, how much water, and so on. So environmentally friendly, based on ESG. And ESG, it's not only environmental, it's also people who are cleaning, and it's for people or clients. So I think it's also, if these places who are thinking really deeply about ESG, they have in a business also big benefits. It's not just letters, it's really how we do things smartly. And actually, when I heard first time about ESG, then I felt that, wow, it's something what I have thought already more than 30 years, because, I would like to act so that there are good results and people are working in that business. They feel good, they do good work, they are healthy, and it's good for clients. So it's all ESG. So I was so happy that finally someone has how to say, established systematical point of view about smart acting.
It's good to see the momentum building, that's for sure. And you had your finger on the pulse before it became a household name, I suppose. That's interesting. Now, Helga, let's talk about something personal. You share some experiences, your own, about how you sometimes bring your own cleaning tools when traveling. Talk about that. What does that lesson tell us about today's expectations, and that you are setting an example with?
Yes, for instance, if you look trolley, how trolley look like in a hotel. And this is as it's giving you a point of view how they are cleaning. For instance, if there is one cleaning cloth, how it will be cleaned, cleaning your rooms. Think about that. And one very special time when I take cleaning equipment with, it's in every spring in Mallorca triathlon training camp. Because I spent there 2 weeks, I go again after Amsterdam exhibition. Actually, after my presentation, couple of hours, and I'm flying to Mallorca. And of course, again, cleaning equipment with why? It's look like clean, but when I train 3 times per day, I would like that my room is without of chemical soilings. If we use too much chemicals, wet methods and we don't try, then you have in everywhere chemifilm. And I have sometimes taken with also UV lamp and I have checked that actually these places which should be clean, they are not clean. And last year in a camp we had also stomach virus. And how hotel was reacted. They offered extra cleaning, but they did this, by my opinion, not aseptic way. They carried from one room to another room microbes. So I was especially glad that I took my cleaning things with, and I told that it's forbidden to go into my room, and I followed that last year very especially because it was very bad stomach virus. So I, as client, would like to be sure that it's clean, and actually I would like that cleaners also to work so that their work is not that it's not bad for their, that is not causing the health damages. I mean that if you use spray bottles, breathing in all the chemicals, and if I saw that there are 9 spray bottles, so I do what I can do as client. I don't want that someone is cleaning in that way. This is my story.
Great story and good practices for those attending your session, which again, it's how ESG-driven cleaning boosts trust, loyalty, and market advantage. There'll be a lot to learn and a lot of takeaways. So, Helga, enjoy Interclean, and I'm sure all those attending your session will really value and take away a lot.